Hey guys, welcome back to Bartlett Arborist Supply. Today we're going to take a look at Petzl's Micrograb, rope grab, right? So before we get started, hit that like button, subscribe down to the channel, check out the rest of the content we have through, and let us know what you think, what you want to see, and we'll try and provide all that for you. So today this rope grab, their Micrograb, made by Petzl, accepts ropes from 10 mil up to 13 mil. And it's a little bit easier to break once it's loaded because of this bottom little handle. So right here all I've got is ball locks. I'm going to show a quick easy functions test on it. So when there's no weight on this, the rope does or can flow through, but once it's immediately weighted, the system catches. So you can see how it's functioning, and it's fully weighted. So like I mentioned, it's a little bit easier than other rope grabs just because of this little bottom handle that helps you break it versus the older ones, or I'm sorry, not older, but the different styles that you have to physically come down underneath and squeeze. This little lever just makes it that much easier. So hit it, and then the same thing. You can pull up this way, bring yourself in, tend it, and as soon as you sit back, the system holds you. So once again, it accepts ropes from 10 mil to 13 mil, Petzl Micrograb. Check it out, see if you like it. Visit us at bartlettman.com. You can Google us, Bartlett Arborist Supply. Thanks for watching.